YouTube channel. Welcome back again, guys. After months of without filming, ito na naman po tayo nandito sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you, guys. Alam niyo naman tayo on and off sa pagbablog kasi hindi naman ito yung ating full-time. Maraming salamat pa rin sa inyo, guys. Kung napapansin niyo, there is a orange box in front of me. So, what I'm gonna do is unboxing of my very first luxury brand bag, which is, alam niyo na kung ano yung kulay nito. Alam niyo na to? Woo! My first Louis Vuitton bag. So, ito yung pinakaunang luxury bag ko, guys, na natanggap sa buong buhay ko. And this was gifted to me by my husband. Actually, guys, nung last year pa to. Last year of June. And ngayon lang talaga ako nagkaroon ng confident at talagang yan ako talaga siya. Pinag-isipan ko talaga siya ng maigi. Ngayon lang ako nagkalakas ng loob na i-unbox ito at ipakita sa inyo, guys, na here you go! Meron na tayong Louis Vuitton na pinapangarap ko lang dati, iniisip ko lang dati, and now, here it is. Andito na sa harapan ko, guys. At last year pa nga ito, like what I said, last year pa to at ngayon lang natin siya i-unbox. Nung birthday ko to nung June 2024. At ayun. So, let's unbox it and sabay-sabay nating silipin ang bag na ito. Are you guys ready? Ayan. Ang laki ng box niya pero yung loob, ito lang siya. Ayan. Tapos, and then actually, guys, first time ko rin makapasok sa mismong store ng Louis Vuitton. Iba yung experience pag nasa loob ka. As in, parang papansinin ba tayo dito sa loob? At mababait naman sila, actually. Ayan. So, ito na yung loob, guys. Tada! Ito. At nilagyan ko na nga siya ng aking pangmalakasang labubu. Siya po ay si Labaki. Si Labaki siya. Siya po si Bakis. Ayan. Nilagay ko lang siya dito kasi wala tayong labubu. Pero ayaw ko rin magkaroon ng labubu, guys. Okay. So, ito yung ating bag. This is the On-The-Go MM. So, merong yung GM, yung MM, pati yung PM. So, yung MM, parang siya yung medium, nasa gitna siya, na size. Kasi alam ko yung PM yata yung malaki o yung GM. Either sa dalawa na yon. Pero, nasa gitna lang tayo, guys, kasi ito yung parang on the go siya, na parang pwede siyang pang travel, pang airport, pang lahat, pang everyday. Parang siyang pang ano din, yung size niya. Hindi siya kalakihan sa katulad ng PM or GM yata. Yun yung malaki. So, ito talaga, guys, is chic lang yung size niya. Ayan. At ito yung loob niya. Ayan yung loob niya. Ganyan po siya. Yan. Tapos, meron siyang compartment sa loob. Yung compartment niya, ayan yung zipper lang. Ito yung guys, yung aking birthday wish last year kay Chad. So, nabili na rin sa wakas. Maraming salamat sa aking asawa. I've never imagined na magkakaroon ako ng isang luxury bag. Sabi ko, kahit isa lang. At ito na nga, guys. It happened. Meron na tayong Louis Vuitton. And my experience was great dun sa kanilang store. Talagang legit, authentic talaga. Meron silang pinasok na chips somewhere dito sa handle. At in-scan nila yon. Meron silang ginamit na mobile to scan the chips to authenticate. Na talagang malalaman mo kung saan siya manufactured, anong kailan siya ginawa, at tama ba? Kung saan siya ginawa, kung kailan siya binili, something like that, or kung saan siya manufactured. Ayun. So, this is our first Louis Vuitton bag, guys. I'm so happy. Yan. Tapos, dahil bumili tayo, guys, nag-request din ako kung pwede ba akong kuha ng kanilang mga perfume tester. So, binigyan tayo ng sales agent doon ng mga tester nila. Sinabi lang sa akin kung ano yung gusto kong scent, anong gusto kong scent na test. So, sabi ko, gusto ko nun. So, ito yung binigay nila sa akin, guys. Meron tayong Spell on You. Actually, hindi ko na alam kung nasan yung mga laman nito. Pati yung Atrafe. Tapos, yung California Dream. Yung Meteor. Gusto ko tong Meteor. Rose de Vents. Gusto ko to. Yung Rose de Vents. Ayan. Pati itong California Dream. Pati yung Meteor Rose de Vents. Pati parang 5 yung nabili ko. Parang 5 yung nakuha ko. Pero hindi ko na alam kung saan ko na ilagay yung iba. Pero free lang to, guys. Ito yung size niya. Ganito lang siya kaliliit. Maliliit lang siya. Naubos ko na yung laman niya, actually. Ayan lang siya. Ay! Yun. Ganito lang siya. Yan. So, that will be it, guys. Ito, guys, ay hindi po ito binili lang namin. Hindi lang po ito basta binili lang ni Chad. We make sure na meron kaming enough savings. We made sure na talagang hindi kami masyashort. At ito talaga yung, we make sure na kung ano talaga yung bibilhin namin ay yung talagang gusto ko talaga. Hindi yung parang option ko lang. So, ito talaga yung pinaka-gusto ko, guys. Kaya sabi ni Chad, just pick whatever you like and that's what we're gonna buy. Kasi kapag yung parang gusto mo lang magkaroon, kahit ano na lang dyan, hindi naman pwede yun. Sabi niya, just pick whatever, the one that I really like, at kung ano talagang, kung pasok sa aming budget. Kung hindi naman, pag-iipunan pa, at kung pasok naman, bibilhin agad. Yun. So, ayan, guys. Chad made sure that we have enough saving for the bag that I really want, and this is the bag that I want. And this is my first ever Louis Vuitton. You can carry it this way, or carry it this way. Ganyan. Ganyan. Pero best bet ko yung ganito. Thank you sa aking husband. And thank you, guys. Please comment below kung ano yung gusto ninyong bag from Louis. At kung ano yung mako-comment ninyo sa bag na nabili ninyo. And comment below if nagustuhan ninyo, guys, yung neutral color nitong Louis Vuitton na to. Kahit saan siya pwede siyang i-match. At yung size is perfect din. Hindi masyadong malaki sa akin. Hindi maliit. And ayan, just comment below, guys, if you like this video, if you like the bag, if you like the color, if you like the size, if you like the designs, whatever, just comment. And please do subscribe. Bye! Pasok ko na to si Bakis. Ito si Bakis, Is it filming?
PG, I'm not. It's going to be very. I'm not a camera guy. I'm just going to hold it in front.
Ready?
Yes!
It looks so beautiful. I'm so excited for you. So here we are. It looks absolutely beautiful, but I want to make sure everything's looking good for you as well. The straps are on the inside, so make sure that everything's meeting your expectations, because I want it to be absolutely perfect for you. Oh my gosh, it even matches with what you're wearing right now.
Oh, jeez.
What do we think? Is it beautiful?
It is beautiful.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness, you are more than welcome. Go ahead and get a couple things typed in here in my system. What have you? The date code would tell us when it was made, the month and the year, and the location, whether it was Paris, Italy, France, the United States. But now we're in the 21st century, and now we have our chips inside of the pieces as well. Most of the time, they'll actually provide us with like a little electronic tag. Every once in a while, it gets missed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm actually getting that scanned in for us right now.
Okay.
Is that similar to like Apple tags? Can you track the location?
So it's not GPS activated. It has really nothing to do with the location of the piece. It just verifies the authenticity and of course the location, like the exact artisan table that it came from, like all of that kind of stuff. So for whatever reason, if there is a quality issue potentially with the piece, we can sort of track it down and see what's going on and what we need to do to fix it. So it helps us authenticate, but it also helps us ensure that you guys are protected too. So.
Your grandpa already told you.